welcome back to my channel. My name is Jalka if you're new here, and I do makeup tutorials, hair tutorials. I know it's been a really long time, not a really long time, but it's been a while since I did a hair video. Today I'm going to do the Aphogee, I don't know if I say it right, 2-step protein treatment. So I haven't done a protein treatment in 4 to 6 weeks. That's how often that you need to do these protein treatments, because too much protein can actually kind of make your hair stiff and kind of weigh your hair down. So I know I've been doing the curly girl hair routine, and I did a little bad thing. These past couple weeks I did blow out my hair because I was going out on the weekend and I had an event this past weekend. So I did blow out my hair and I did put some heat to it, which is a no-no if you're doing a curly hair girl routine method or whatever. So I wanted to do a nice protein treatment to get my hair back to normal, and I've heard a lot of good things about this Aphogee. I don't know how to say it. If anybody knows how to pronounce this correctly, please leave a comment below, because I don't know how to pronounce this. But this is their 2-step protein treatment. It stops hair breakage, rebuilds hair structure for 6 weeks. You can find this at Sally's. This is where I purchased mine, and I have not used it. That's why there's tape over it. But I want to get my hair back to normal really fast. A little bit about my hair journey. If you guys have not seen my first hair video, I will link it to this video. So underneath this black, I've been trying to repair my hair for the past 1.5 years. I was blonde for 4 years. Underneath all this black is still 4 years of bleaching, chemical damage, and heat damage. So I want to do a protein treatment that's beneficial, and I've heard a lot of good reviews and I've seen a lot of good results from other people's YouTube videos, and I'm excited to do this today. I've been looking at their other products. I don't know if this is curly girl hair approved. A lot of their products do have silicone. This does have sulfate in it. It does have silicone in it, which I was trying to avoid. That's why I didn't buy a lot of their shampoos and conditioner, or I didn't buy their shampoo and conditioner. I know this does have glycerin. It is collagen, citric acid. It has fruit oil. It has vegetable protein. That's basically all that I can understand that it has inside. Disclaimer, if you're new to my videos, my daughter is always next to me. I am a single mother of one, so she's always here, and you might hear her here and there, or you might hear the TV a little bit, so just keep that in mind. The directions are in the back of the bottle, and it says, number 1, gently cleanse hair with Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair, rinse through and towel blot dry. I don't have their shampoo, so I'm going to shampoo with one of my shampoos, and I believe I'm going to use the Not Your Mother's Naturals line. I don't know which one I'm going to use, but I'm going to use one of them. So I'm going to be right back after I shampoo. Alright guys, I'm back from shampooing, and I used my Not Your Mother's Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Repair and Protect shampoo. And I did comb it out even though I didn't use conditioner, because all it did say was shampoo. So the second thing we're going to do, it says towel blot dry. So I have my microfiber towel on. I'll link it down below where I got it from. Step number 2, apply enough Aphogee treatment to thoroughly saturate hair and comb. Blend with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. So I have a towel wrapped around me because I don't want to get this on my shirt, or I'm going to try not to. Just change my shirt because it was just too difficult to do it with a towel around me, and I can get this shirt dirty. So I'm just going to detangle my hair with the wide tooth comb. And I did part my hair. I guess I try to do it halfway around my head, not neatly or anything. It says shake well before use, so I'm going to shake it, and then I'm just going to apply it onto my hair and comb it through. Actually, what I'm doing is how I would apply my Curly Girl products. I'm just applying it onto my hand and then scrunching it into my hair, because I don't want to comb it through and agitate my curls. So I'm actually going to stand up and do this because it's much easier for me. And the stuff is getting really sticky in my hair. Taking another section, making sure I don't have any knots with my wide tooth comb. And do the same thing. I'm gonna flip my whole head upside down once I'm done, and I'm just going to apply a little bit more just to make sure everything's evenly saturated. Alright, number 3 says leave hair uncovered, do not use a plastic cap. You can either sit under a dryer under medium heat with high airflow, or you can use a hand dryer, which is a blow dryer, but hair should not be agitated while drying. So I'm going to be using blow dryer because I'm not at the salon, so I don't have a heated cap blow dryer. I'm going to do this upside down, I guess, and so I don't agitate the hair. Now I'm going to put it on medium heat and high airflow. Then it says when the treatment is dried into the hair becomes extremely hard. Do not comb or brush hair while treatment is dried in the hair. So I'm just going to wait till it's really hard, and I'm going to do this fast forward for you guys. I'm done drying, and it feels really hard and stiff, like a hard cast. If you'd use like a really hard or a really max hold gel, that's how it feels. I would recommend, as a curly girl and somebody doing a curly girl method, when you apply this, do not comb it through. Apply it on your hands, smooth it into your hair, and scrunch it like you would apply your products, and make sure that it's evenly distributed and saturated. If you don't have one of those hooded dryers, obviously if you're not in a salon, I would suggest not using the blow dryer without a diffuser. I feel like it's too harsh of an airflow for your hair that it just blows your hair around. I recommend you do use your diffuser attachment. It would burst the airflow just like a hooded dryer would, but I would still use medium heat, high airflow as it's suggested, because it dried really fast in my hair, and it did curl up really well. Re-wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water. Remove all excess dry protein, towel dry. So you don't need to rewash your hair. What I'm going to do is re-wet it, rinse this out, and I'll dry my hair with my microfiber towel, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and I rinsed it out, and let's go on the next step. Apply Aphogee balancing moisturizer to hair and scalp and leave for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to kind of blot my hair a little bit, remove some of the excess water. As I took a closer look before I rinsed it out, my hair was curlier. So I'm really excited to see the end results. So this is the balancing moisturizer, the step 2 of the protein treatment. So this does have alcohol, mineral oil, vegetable protein, just like the protein treatment, fruit oil, silk amino acids, rosemary leaf extract, sage leaf extract. It does have silicone in here too. It has squalene also. So this is supposed to improve manageability, softness, and shine. So I'm going to apply this in my hair upside down and standing up because it's easier for me to do so. And I'm going to leave on for 2 minutes and then I'm going to rinse. Alright guys, I'm back and I finished styling my hair. It does take a while for my hair to dry. So I know at the end of my hair videos, my hair has been semi-wet. This is what I believe 95% dry. It's still a little damp in some areas, but it's kind of dry. So I like the results. And oh, and I did change my shirt because you wouldn't be able to see my black hair on my black shirt. It would have been hard for you guys. So I really like the results of my hair. I feel like it did repair the damage of the blow dryer and the curling iron that I used these past 2 weeks, week and a half, styling my hair, which that's not like curly girl method hair like approved at all. But I feel like it did make some of my straight pieces more curlier. So I did use products that I do use for my daily hairstyle routine. If you guys don't know or didn't see that video, I will tag it on this video. I'm so happy for my hair to be curly again. I like it being straight, but I always like some curl to it because I do love my curls, and I'm glad that my curls are coming back. And this product, wow, like I'm really impressed. Noticed in some other girls' videos that their hair bounced up really easily. When the product was in my hair and it did harden, it did bounce up nicely. But after I washed it out, I felt like it did go back to normal, like the normal curl. But I felt like it did repair the damage that my hair kind of got as I used the blow dryer and the curling iron. I'm going to be using this product more every 4 to 6 weeks as recommended to see if it does really repair my hair. But I like the curl and the bounce that I do have now, and I'm really happy with the results. I'm really glad that I found this product, even though it does have some ingredients in there that's not curly girl hair approved. I don't use those ingredients often in my hair routine, so I guess a little bit wouldn't hurt. I recommend it. Just use it every 4 to 6 weeks because you don't want too much protein buildup on your hair because it can cause breakage. Aphogee Balancing Moisturizer. It's supposed to have pH optimized for maximum results and contain their exclusive ingredient complex, using precise levels of protein for strength, emollients for shine, and humectants for softness. I felt like this did smell like a generic bar of soap. It really did. But it wasn't like a horrible smell that I couldn't, I couldn't stand it. It was fine. I'm really not that picky with smells, unless it doesn't smell like vomit or garbage, I'm fine. But it did give me good amount of slip to detangle my hair. It did put some moisture back into my hair, and I really like this moisturizer. I'll be using these two together. I don't know if I'm going to be getting any more products from this line because I don't want to, like I said, put a lot of silicone and mineral oil and sulfates in my hair, and I know this line does have that in it. But at this treatment, I feel like it's also curly girl hair approved, or for anybody that does have chemical damage to their hair or heat damage, I would recommend this product to repair their hair. So I will link the Aphogee treatment and the balancing moisturizer down below and where I got it from. I ordered it online from Sally's, or you can go to your local Sally's and pick it up. I did bring my curl back, and I'm really in love with the results. So yeah, that's it for my protein treatment video for today. I will be keeping you guys updated on my results every 4 to 6 weeks as I use this product, and I'm so excited to be back doing hair videos, and I'm going to be doing more makeup tutorials. I just need to be back on a regular schedule. It's been crazy. I do work at a salon, so this past like 2 to 3 weeks I've been crazy with back to school, so I've been on a crazy schedule and working a lot, so I'm trying my best to get back on a regular schedule with these videos. But also I'm excited because more hair tutorials, hair review on products are coming up. I'm so excited because I have some products from brands that I really want to try. Glad to be back and talking to you guys. I really did miss doing this stuff. So I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell button so you get notified the next time I do upload, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye. I just hate my hair at all. It's hard doing this sitting down. I'm going to use a blow dryer from home because I'm home. I'm not in my home, not at a salon, so I don't have a seated. Yo, you're getting on my nerves.